Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1986 Chevrolet Blazer K5. Really cool truck, guys. Second time I've owned this truck. I actually sold it 2 years ago. Bought it from a gentleman out of Georgia who actually restored this truck for his granddaughter. Sold it locally to a guy here, a really good guy. Matter of fact, he bought a couple of vehicles from me. Just said he's just kind of whittling stuff down, so I bought the truck back. What a different market from the 2 years ago when I originally owned this truck on Blazers and Broncos, huh? Killer little truck, removable top. Again, it's about an 8-year-old resto now. 6-inch lift. It is 4-wheel drive. I've checked out the 4-wheel drive again, high and low. It's all functioning properly. The only thing I just did to this truck is it had 37s on it. They were just too big, in my opinion. It makes these things all over the road, go all over the road. They drive way better with a little bit smaller tire. Those are new BF Goodrich Mud Terrains. Those are 35s. And yes, if you ever driven lifted trucks, they do have a tendency to follow the grooves in a road. But the 35s, this thing just drives way better. Hits the road good. Truck really runs and drives nice. Factory color, this is Indian bronze metallic. I wish we had some sunshine because it does have some pretty metallic in it. Most of the trim in the bumpers, this stuff's original, and you can see it's still really nice. Paint slick. I'll tell you what, most of these I go look at, to be honest with you, there's blisters all over them. This thing is clean. Like I say, came out of Georgia. The gentleman that I sold it to, he kept it nice. Matter of fact, he just spent a bunch of money. There's a receipt that goes with this. A buddy of his owns a repair facility, and he took it in and went back through the suspension and replaced a bunch of hoses and stuff. So all that stuff goes with it. See, it's got the dual chrome mirrors. That is a matching removable top. I saw, you see a little blemish there. That's, I think, what everybody loves about these things, is that you can remove the top, throw the kids in the back, and have a blast. Truck's nice. Again, you can kind of pick the bumpers a little bit. They're original. This back window works. It's got a power switch inside the cab. It works, and it also works from the key. Window has to be completely down to open this back deck. Yeah, nice and clean. When you look at the bottom of that, most of these things are just rusted out, and that thing is clean. Yeah, nice and straight. New rubber all the way around. 6-inch lift. You can see it's got those Carr Super Hoop step-ups on it. You can go ahead and open the hood, Gary. It's got a good sounding Magnaflow dual exhaust system on it. A 31-gallon fuel tank. Again, all brand new rubber. 15-inch Michey Thompson aluminum wheels in there. Truck's clean, frame's clean. Sits good. And like I say, it really goes down the road good. You get and open the doors. Factory, matter of fact, the original displacement sticker is still on here. It was originally a 305 truck. It now has a GM 350 crate engine in it. You know, stock intake, stock exhaust manifolds. I do have to charge the air. We can get it to come on, we know that, but we're going to have to charge the AC. Power steering, power front disc brakes. Again, I went through the 4-wheel drive. All that stuff works. 700R, 4 automatic overdrive trans. The only thing I don't think that works on the truck is the cruise. I think they took it off. Jack's still in there, which is cool. Like I say, nice and clean. And again, if you've looked at a lot of these, you look at the bottoms down here and they're just blistering, and this truck's clean, man. It's so high, it's hard to show you like I normally do. The door, this door rubber is pretty good. The door rubber on the other side around that seal was it's a little cracked, but again, I wouldn't replace it. You can see it's got the dual chrome mirrors. I have a feeling those are new. Those are pretty doggone nice. Again, original tag in the door. You can see how nice the bottoms of those doors are. Jams are clean. Bucket seats, console. The little lower half of this has been broke off. Matter of fact, it was like that when I sold it originally. Tilt wheel, it's got a Grant steering wheel. One of the things I am going to do is take it down and have it realigned with us changing that tire size. 91,968, that is your original miles. It looks like he put about 800 miles on this truck. All the gauges are functional. It's got an aftermarket Kenwood radio. That's another thing. I'm going to have to get a hold of him and see if he forgot to give us the antenna, because the antenna's gone. Original owner's manuals are in the glove box. Fold down rear seat. This is pretty cool. He's put LED lighting in here. Again, removable top. That's why these things, in my opinion, are so popular. People use these things at their cabins, everything like that. And my dad had something like this at our cabin, matter of fact. Really good sounding Magnaflow H-pipe dual exhaust system on it. And then it's got these, if I can do this one-handed, and I can. Stock rear end with the original, it's a 342 limited slip rear gear. Look how clean that is in there. Most of these things, you look in those tailgates, they're just rotted right out. Again, same thing. Look how nice the gate itself is. 86 plate goes with it. So in Michigan, we can register that plate to this vehicle, and we get a insurance break, so that's going to go with it. Car cover goes with it. Again, this functions with the key or with the switch on the dash. It's a little slow, but it does work. Again, clean underneath. Super cool, fun truck, man. And again, this one is going to be, you know, if you're hunting for them, you know it. You look on the internet, man, they're 60, 100 grand. This thing's going to be priced to sell. Seats are, this is that piece that's missing on that other side. So, you know, junkyard, swap meet, find is what you need. Again, it's got that fold down rear seat. It does work. Dash is nice. You can see it's not all beat up. That's the switch on your dash for the rear window. You can go ahead and fire it up, Gary. And those look new. Mirrors are in good shape. This is what I was talking about. It's got a little cracking here on that side. Truck runs great, man. Give a little rev, Gary. Got good sound. Like I say, we got to charge the air. These things have a great look, man. I like them. And I love lifted trucks. Always have. Again, gauges all work. You can see it's holding good oil pressure. You can go ahead and shut this door, Gary. Brake lights. Left turn signal. Right. Backup lights. That stuff works. Little rev. Give it a little rev. Good sounding exhaust. Turn that radio knob so they can hear it. Like I say, it's on. We just got no antenna out here. Go ahead and flip your wipers on, Gary. Headlights. I don't know if he knows how to shut the lights back off. Brights. Never mind, do the turn signals. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video.